This is Frankie McDonald, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Massive blizzard is headed towards New Brunswick on Tuesday, January the 27th, 2015. It's going to bring up to 30 plus centimeters of snow, especially in Fredericton, New Brunswick, and Saint John, New Brunswick as well. It's going to be a lot of snow. It's going to be very strong winds. It's going to cause blowing and drifting snow in New Brunswick, especially in Fredericton, New Brunswick as well. It's going to bring a ton of snow. Winds are going to be very strong. Since the low pressure system is going to develop off the east coast of the United States, then it's going to intensify. Then it's going to move up the east coast of the United States. Then it's going to hit New Brunswick on Tuesday, January the 27th, 2015. It's going to bring 30 plus centimeters of snow, especially in Fredericton, New Brunswick, Saint John, New Brunswick as well. It's going to bring blizzard conditions, wind-driven snow, howling winds, zero visibility. Visibility is going to be reduced. Streets, roads, highways, and Trans-Canada Highway number 2 will be snow-covered in New Brunswick, especially in Fredericton, New Brunswick, and Saint John, New Brunswick as well. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Winds are going to be very strong. It's going to bring real strong winds with heavy snow, blizzard conditions in New Brunswick. People in New Brunswick, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have winter jackets ready. Hats and gloves and scarf and ski pants is ready. Order your pizza, order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Have your iPads charged. Have your iPods charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your laptops charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your 3G, 4G ready. Because it's going to be blizzard conditions. When you go outside during blizzard conditions, don't walk too far. When you're driving the car, take your time, drive the car. Slow down so you don't get into car accidents. The visibilities will be reduced in New Brunswick, especially in Fredericton, New Brunswick, and Saint John, New Brunswick, and Moncton as well. Make sure to have your shovels ready, snow scoops ready, snow plows ready, salt trucks ready, and snow blowers ready, since it's going to be blizzard conditions in New Brunswick on Tuesday, January 27th, 2015. It's going to bring heavy snow with very strong winds causing blizzard conditions. Make sure to drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea to keep you warm. Have your furnaces ready and turn on your furnaces to keep the house warm in New Brunswick, especially in Fredericton and Saint John, New Brunswick as well. During blizzard conditions, if you try to go outside, don't go outside during blizzard conditions. If you have anybody living in New Brunswick, be prepared for a massive blizzard on Tuesday, January 27th, 2015. Best luck to you. People in New Brunswick, be prepared for a massive blizzard on Tuesday. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a massive blizzard. Stay warm, be safe.